Hey guys, welcome to AI Biceps. Everyone's talking about SeeDream 4. Some people are saying it's way more powerful than Nano Banana. But the question is, how do you actually use it? Is it free? Do you have to pay? Or is there some hidden trick no one is telling you? Well, I did the digging, and in this video, I'll show you every single way you can try SeeDream 4 today. We'll start with the free methods first, because let's be real. Who doesn't love free? And then I'll show you the paid method, which is honestly so cheap you'll be shocked. Stick with me till the end because I promise you, the free methods have a couple of sneaky details you don't want to miss. Okay, first up, lmarena.ai. If you haven't checked this site before, it's like an arena where AI models fight each other, but in a friendly way. Basically, you can test and compare two AI models side by side completely free. Here's what you do. Go to lmarena.ai and sign in with your Google account. On the dashboard, there's a thing called Battle Mode. Click that, and now you can pit one AI model against another, like Nano Banana versus something else. Now, here's the thing. They actually had SeeDream 4 available here recently. Right now, it's temporarily disabled, which is a little disappointing, but the devs confirmed it's coming back very soon, so don't stress. Just keep an eye on it, because once it's back, you'll be able to try SeeDream 4 here for completely free, zero cost. Next method, and honestly this one's pretty cool, the site is called dreamina.capcut.com. Now, small catch, depending on where you are, you might not see all the features. That's why you'll need a VPN set to the United States. Once you're in, you'll see options for generating AI images, and soon, even videos. The big news, SeeDream 4 is already live on their Chinese version. The English version hasn't got it yet, but they've officially said it's coming. So yeah, keep your VPN ready, bookmark the site, and check back often, because the moment they flip the switch, boom, you'll be generating SeeDream 4 outputs completely free. Honestly, when that happens, this is going to be a game changer. All right, now let me talk about the third method. And I'll be honest with you guys, this one is kind of messy. Technically, you can use the Chinese version of the platform right now, and SeeDream 4 is already active there. But here's the problem. You need a VPN connected to China. You need a Chinese TikTok account called Douyin. And sometimes you even need a virtual phone number to log in. So yes, it works, but let's be real, this is not for beginners. If you're not into dealing with VPNs, international phone numbers, and all that headache, just skip this method. For most people, I'd recommend waiting for dreamina.capcut.com or lmarena.ai. But I wanted to share it because technically, it is another free way. Okay, now let's talk about the paid method. And before you roll your eyes thinking, ugh, not another expensive AI tool, hold on. This one is ridiculously cheap. Like, honestly, it shocked me how affordable it was. The site is replicate.com. This platform is like a playground for open source AI models. They've got everything. Image generators, video models, you name it. And yes, SeeDream 4 is there too. Here's exactly what you do. Go to replicate.com. Sign in with your GitHub account. If you don't have one, no worries. It's free to create. Authorize Replicate, and boom, you're inside your dashboard. Now, search SeeDream 4 and open the model page. Here's where the money comes in. Replicate runs on credits. Each image costs about 3 cents. That means if you add just $1, you can generate around 33 full-resolution 4K images. No watermark, no tricks, just straight-up high quality. Now to add money, here's the step-by-step. Add your debit or credit card details, Visa, MasterCard, whatever you use works fine. Hit Save, click Add Credits on your dashboard. Don't pick the $10 or $20 packs. Instead, select the Custom option. Type in $1, and boom, your credits show up instantly. That's it. You're good to go. Go back, open SeeDream 4 in the playground, upload your images, type your prompts, set aspect ratio, resolution, all that stuff, and click Run. In about 20 to 30 seconds, you'll get a 4K output that you can directly download. And let me tell you, the quality blew me away. The character consistency, the sharpness, even little details like clothing and background, it nailed it. Honestly, for just $1, I couldn't believe the value.
So, to wrap it up, if you want free access, keep an eye on lmarena.ai and dramina.capcut.com. Both will roll out SeeDream 4 soon. If you don't want to wait and you want results right now, replicate.com is hands down the best option. My personal advice? Try the free ones when they're available just to play around, but when you're ready for serious, consistent results, just invest that $1 in Replicate. Honestly, it's worth it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this useful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned because we're just getting started here on AI Biceps.